Half the women I know over 50 have quietly given up on linen. They say it wrinkles, it adds weight, it never sits right. What they actually mean is they've been buying it the wrong way. Stay with me because I have 10 pieces I'm showing you today, and these are the ones that actually work for our age group. Here's what happens every spring around here, and I bet it happens at your house too. The first warm week of May, smart, stylish women I love, women I respect, pull their linen out of the closet. Or maybe they purchase a comfy drawstring linen pant, because honestly, is there anything better on a hot summer day? But then they put it on. They take one look in the mirror and decide they look like they're going to a luau. And then they put it back or return it. They tell themselves linen wrinkles too much. Or, as I mentioned, it makes them look bigger. But what they really mean is they bought the wrong piece, wrong cut, or one that wasn't really linen at all. So today, 3 rules for buying linen that actually works over 50, and 3 common pitfalls to avoid once you own it. And the 10 pieces from Quince, because we all love Quince and they have amazing linen, that I put my own name on this season. Hi ladies, and welcome back to Style at a Certain Age, where I bring you the trusted edit for women 50 plus. The pieces, brands, the outfits actually worth your time and money. Today's video, linen done right. Rule number 1, it has to be 100% linen, not a blend, not a viscose with a little linen tossed in, not a cotton linen mix that's mostly cotton. Blends are what give linen its bad reputation. They pill, they go limp, they wrinkle in the wrong way. Real linen wrinkles in the right way. Your eye knows a difference even when you can't name it. And here's a quality signal that's worth knowing about. Linen is grown in a handful of places around the world. So that's China, Egypt, India, parts of Eastern Europe. But the best linen comes from European flax, specifically flax grown in France, Belgium, and the Netherlands. Long staple, durable, the right hand. So if a brand specifies 100% European flax on the label, that's a quality signal worth paying for. So always check the fiber tag before you buy. And guess what? Quince has this European linen. Okay, ladies, rule number 2, soft fabric, structured cut. Linen is a natural fiber, and that's what I love about it, because it's so breathable. And it's made from the flax plant, which is part of what makes it so wonderful to wear in the first place. It breathes, it softens with every wash. It's also biodegradable, but that natural softness also means it's a drape fabric, which means if the silhouette is also soft and drapey, you end up looking like you're wearing a bedsheet or a toga. The trick is contrast. So put a soft fabric in a structured shape. So that could be a real shirt dress, a blazer with structure in the shoulders, a wide leg pant with a real waistband. That contrast is what makes linen read as American classic instead of casual. And rule number 3, American classic colors with depth. White linen is a classic, and I love it. But white on white in May, and I think it's because, we haven't gotten our self-tanners out, or we haven't been to the beach to get a little, glow from the sun. So it can be hard to put on white and think that we look good, right? So the colors that earn their keep have depth, especially this time of year as we're easing into summer. So that's a bayberry olive, like this beautiful linen jacket that I'm wearing from Quince. Or a blue pinstripe. It could be a chambray stripe, or it could be a chili red. A mauvey mist, a fine black and white gingham. These are American classic colors, the ones that look like a Saturday on a Connecticut lawn or a porch in Charleston, the closet of a woman who summers somewhere her grandmother summered. Okay, so now we looked at a few mistakes that we're making with our linen. I also want to talk about some common pitfalls that we fall into. And pitfall number 1, steaming the wrinkles out. We buy real linen and then we panic the first time it wrinkles. We pull out the steamer, or even worse, we pull out the iron. I mean, I personally like the steamer for my linen. We also tend to want to make it look like cotton. don't. The soft, lived-in wrinkle is the whole point. Now, I'm not saying never steam your linen. Of course you want to do that. A quick steam to release deep storage wrinkles, or to set a piece before a wedding or a special dinner, that's fine. Or maybe you just purchased one from the store or it arrived at your house. You definitely want to give it a steam. But what I don't want you to do is steam every wrinkle out every time you wear it. That's the move that defeats the fabric. Steam if you need to, then hang it, let it move, let the natural fold come back. Lived in is American classic. Cotton flat is polyester behavior. And moving on to pitfall number 2, dressing linen like it's beachwear. So this is pairing every linen piece with raffia, straw, and a knotted shirt. And listen, I love all those looks, but we don't always need to be having our linen look like we're at the beach. Because when we do that, we sometimes wonder why it looks like a vacation costume. Linen is not exclusively beachwear. A linen blazer with a leather belt and loafers is a real outfit. A linen shirt dress with gold jewelry and a structured handbag is dinner out territory. Style linen the way you style anything else in your closet. And pitfall number 3, and listen to this one because I think this is really important, and this is where many of us go awry with our linen, and that is storing linen on hangers all year. So leaving linen on hangers in your closet from October through April. That's when the shoulders are going to stretch, the fabric loses memory. By next May, the piece doesn't fit the way it did when you bought it. So here's the fix. Fold linen flat or roll it for off-season storage. It comes out every spring looking like new. And ladies, a quick note before we get into those 10 pieces, and I'm gonna style every single one, so stay to the very end. But every piece I'm showing you today is linked in 3 different places. So YouTube puts the links on the left-hand side of the screen. We also place them in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. So scroll down, tap any of those links, you're there. Because no one has time for a scavenger hunt. And can you believe it? We still have questions on where to purchase this or that. Now, 10 pieces, all from Quince. And I want to flag this on the front end because it's the reason I'm comfortable putting my name on this entire lineup. Quince specifies 100% European flax for every linen piece they make. It's on the label, it's on the website. The flax is grown in Europe, the long staple, gold standard kind I just mentioned. That's the quality signal I look for. And Quince delivers it at $32 to $90 a piece, which is frankly why we're here today. So my first piece, the European linen tank in white, and it comes in many other colors too, but I always recommend starting with the neutrals first. And this beautiful tank comes in at $32. It's also the foundation piece because it goes under the jacket. You can tuck it into the wide leg pants. You can layer it with the shorts. This tank connects every other piece in this lineup. So buy 2, buy 3, but I think black and white would be a great start for you. Trust me on this. Piece number 2, the European linen crop tank in black, $36. Okay, before any of you click away, cropped over 50 is not what it was at 25. Cropped at 50 means the tank ends exactly at your high waistband, not above your navel. So worn with the high-waisted shorts or the Gingham Maxi skirt, you're not showing any skin at all. You're creating a clean horizontal line that lengthens your leg and defines your waist. Piece 3, the European linen wide leg pants, and then I purchased this in a stripe. It's $42. It has a real rise, wide leg that falls clean from the hip. And the stripe, fine vertical blue and white. It does what a solid color can't. It elongates without screaming pajamas, although I kind of like their pajamas over there at Quince too. But pair this with a matching tank top, or it also has a matching shirt. It also comes in shorts. So you can have like a little mini capsule if you just, purchase this one pattern. And piece number 4. So this is the European linen high-waisted shorts. It's on the same fabric that I just showed the wide leg pants. $32. So the same stripe as the pants. It's high-waisted, it's tailored, and has a real inseam. And with a tank, you could either tuck the tank in or you could just leave it casually over the top. You can put on some leather sandals, and you look like you're spending July on the coast, whether you actually are or not. Okay, I have 2 different jackets, and they do 2 different jobs. I think it's piece number 5. So, the European linen jacket, it comes in many, many colors, but I have on the Bayberry Olive, and I also have on the matching tank from Quince. But this jacket comes in at $70. It's 100% European linen, 1,100 reviews, and a 4.9 rating. That's pretty amazing. And the Bayberry Olive is the color of an old wooden boat on a New England dock at dusk. It's deep, it's dusty, immediately American classic. With white denim in a tank, it's effortless. With the chambray pants, it's a suit. Over a dress in the evening, you're at the inn for dinner. If you bought one piece from this video, this jacket should be it. And as I said, it comes in many, many other colors other than what I'm wearing. Piece number 6. So this is the European linen structured blazer in white. $90. It's lined, ladies, it's structured, and has real lapels. And here's why it's in the linen lineup. In a minute, I'm showing you a strapless linen maxi dress, and I know half of you just felt your shoulders tense, right? Because strapless, we get very, very sensitive about that at this age. But this blazer is what makes a strapless dress work for any of us who wouldn't normally wear strapless. Throw it over, just drape it over the top, or you can actually wear it as the blazer and button the middle button only. And what was strapless becomes a column dress with sleeves. The dress does the work underneath, and the blazer does the work for the world. But of course, you can wear a blazer with 2 other gazillion things, so it's always a good investment. And piece number 7. So this is the European linen shirt dress in a pinstripe. And I love this one. $54, I believe. And this is the most versatile dress in this lineup, full stop. With a leather belt and sandals, it's a garden lunch. With sneakers and the linen jacket, it's a Saturday in town. Unbuttoned over jeans and a tee, it becomes a coordinating duster. 3 completely different outfits from one $54 dress. You're welcome. And piece number 8. So this is the European linen tank dress, and then I have mine in a stripe. Mine's from last year. I mean, they have the same dress, but they tried out different fabrics every year, so I'm not exactly sure if they have this exact same fabric, but they have some very, very similar to it. But I absolutely love this dress because it's the easiest dress in the lineup. It has a tank silhouette, it's above the knee length, which, and listen, I'm 5'8", so mine always hit above my knees, but if you are 5'6" and below, it's gonna hit at your knees or below your knees. And I think that most of us over 50 love that. And piece number 9. This is the European linen strapless maxi dress and pinstripe, the hero piece of the video, and yes, strapless. I see you. Stay with me, ladies, because I know, as I said, we tend to tense up when we're thinking strapless at this age. You know, our crepey skin, our arms aren't as toned, but I do believe that the décolletage is the most attractive piece of our body. So I think we should flaunt it a little bit. And that's why this dress is in the lineup, because it's perfect for a beach vacation. It's also perfect for date night. And as I mentioned, you don't have to go bare shoulders if you don't want to. You can absolutely just drape the white blazer over the top. That's really how I like to do it. And it's just absolute perfection. And piece number 10, I love this one. And this skirt also comes in many different colors, but I chose the European linen maxi skirt in a classic gingham. And it comes in at $49. Maxi skirts after 50 are one of the great underused pieces in our wardrobes. They're modest in the best sense. They flatter every body type, and they photograph like you spent a fortune. With the white tank for daytime, the black crop tank for evening, or if you had the linen jacket in white, it would just be beautiful, draped over it for dinner. This is an outfit you'll keep for the next 10 summers. And I just have 3 quick styling notes I want to share with you to round it out, and these apply across the lineup. So sandals. You want to look for leather, flat, or low block heel in a cognac or natural. So skip the raffia unless you're at the beach. Jewelry, I would choose gold, simple, things you've owned a long time. Linen wants real metal, not statement plastic. And for a bag, structured leather in cognac or saddle. The structure of the bag balances the softness of the linen. Same principle as a structured cut rule. All right, grit and glamours, that's linen done right. 100% linen. Structured cuts, American classic colors. Run every linen purchase through those 3 rules and you will never buy a bad piece again. And again, every piece is linked in 3 places in this video, in the description box, in the pinned comment, on the end on the left-hand side of the video. So pause the video, tap whichever link is easiest for you, and add it to your cart while we're still talking. You'll thank yourself in 2 weeks. And when you shop through my links, it doesn't cost you anything extra, but it keeps these videos coming. So thank you, genuinely. It matters more than you know. Thanks so much for stopping by today. And if you haven't yet hit the description box, what are you waiting for? You don't want to miss any videos coming your way, which will be this coming Thursday, and we're talking about white pants. Until then, grit and glamours, style has no expiration date, and neither do you.